Namaste, I'm Shahid Khan. Welcome to Yoga Simplified. Today I'll be explaining Utkatasana, Utkat, a fierce, a brave posture. Start with standing in Tadasana. Inhale. Now when you're taking your arms up, it's one inhalation. You're moving the spine of your upper thoracic chest forward. Inhale and then hold your palms firm. You want to be quite firm in your palms to pull your spine up. Move your hips back so you shift the body weight on your heels. Look straight. And exhale, sit down. Keep on pulling your spine up so your back is firm. Hold it for 10 breaths. If you're a complete beginner, hold it for at least 5 breaths. And then inhale, come up. Take your arms down. Once you take your arms down, inhale and exhale. I'll show Utkatasana from the side. Inhale. Hold your palms. Pull your spine up. Your lumbar should be light. Your rib cage should be moving away from your hips. Move your hips back so you have your body weight on your heels. And then sit down. Keep on pulling your spine up. Inhale, come up. Take your arms down. Inhale. Exhale. Now in Yoga Simplified, I'm keeping it very short to keep it simple. If you have any questions and if you want to develop your asanas, your pranayama, or if you have any questions about yoga in general, please write them down and I'll answer you. Thank you.